Hey, what's up, guys? I want to show y'all like when you're messing with a sample, how to keep it your VST instruments and key with it. All right, so look, I have this sample here, right? I was just messing around, and I found the internet. Go here, and we can see the key of it, right? It was A sharp minor. So what I would do is I would go into pad perform. We're gonna just try piano because piano is gonna be easy for you guys to hear. Go to pad perform. I'm put it on notes. You see how easy that was? By putting it in the right key, I'm able to basically stay just about in tune with the sample. You know, this will work good also, like say with your bass lines. So for the most part, it'll keep you in key. So that's just a quick tip. MPC like does a lot of the work for you. All right, guys, I hope that's good. I hope y'all learned something from that. Just in case, y'all didn't know that. Go to thecyclekid.com. Buy something, look out for your boy. I got not just drums, I got MIDI progression. So if you don't know how to play that great, I can make you sound like you can. I got instruments repository and other key groups. All right, guys, I love y'all. And also join the MPC family Facebook group. Love to have you. Peace.